in for a complete full detail. The wheels definitely need tons of attention. All these wheel wells need lots of attention. The paint feels overall pretty good. I do recommend the clay bar service along with a full wax application. These panels definitely need to be deep cleaned before we recondition them. The carpet definitely needs some work. The seats have a couple stains. The customer is aware of the vehicle condition and he is ready to go with our premium service today. With a Terminator and upholstery shampoo, step 1 and step 2, and we will neutralize this with our step 3 to make sure pesky stains all gone. And this is step 3, our peroxide treatment. Just gonna give this a nice little mist in here.